Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to schedule Instagram posts. Now, this is a feature that won't be available to you if you don't have a professional account. So I'll quickly take you through how you can switch to a professional account. Just click on the top right corner to go into the menu section. After this, you can scroll down and see an option where it says account type and tools. Just click on this and click on switch to professional account. After this, there are a few settings here and there. Make sure you toggle them as per your choice. Once you have converted your account into a professional account, you will be able to schedule posts. So as you can see here, the conversion is done. After this, just click on the plus symbol and let's say I want to post this picture right here. After this, you can click on next, and this is where the magic happens. Once you're here, you can click on more options, and then you will see this option where it says schedule this post. Now this option will not be visible again if you have a personal account, so make sure you convert to a professional account as I showed you, and then you can click on schedule this post, select the time and date, and once all of that is done, you can go ahead and click on the schedule button. As you can see here, we have put that option and you can click on schedule. That is it. You have now successfully scheduled a post on Instagram. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.